I'm Jenna, an EHO, otherwise known as Food Safety Mum, and welcome back to my channel. New Year is just around the corner. We're through most of the Christmas leftovers and we're back hosting. So in today's video, I'm going to be prepping our New Year's Eve party food. But we don't have much time. We're going out this afternoon, so we're going to set ourselves a time limit of 30 minutes. Now, our menu for New Year's Eve is a bit of a mix of buffet party food. Equally, we want to fill everyone up, especially if we've got kids to feed, without spending an absolute fortune on buffet food. So here's what we're planning. For the main, we're going to do a barbecue pulled pork sliders. So we'll slow cook a shoulder of pork on the day. That's super easy. Obviously have some coleslaw, some burger rolls alongside that. But we also wanted to serve up some chicken tenders to complement the burgers. We'll serve them with a honey mustard dip, which is amazing. I'll pop the recipe for the dip in the description below. And then some party food bits like halloumi fries, halloumi blankets, which are delicious, served with a drizzle of honey. And to bulk it all out, especially for the kids, some macaroni cheese, and we'll probably throw in some French fries on the night too. Now, it's a family event, so I've roped my husband Ian in to help me with the prep whilst the kids are watching TV, so let's get started. So the timer has just gone off and we are just finished. We literally just made it at the 30 minutes. But yeah, we're done. We're just going to do a quick clear up and then I'll show you what we've made. And there we go. 30-minute prep is all it took. We made it just by the skin of our teeth, but we made it. And I'm pretty impressed with the amount we made in that 30 minutes. So we've got a huge batch of macaroni cheese, which will fill, let me show you. So that batch of macaroni cheese will easily fill one of these. It's pretty much the same size as an A4 sheet of paper. Just to give you an idea, I'm actually not going to put it in the dish right now because I'm actually going to freeze it. We're a few days off yet from when we want it, so I'm going to freeze it flat in a freezer bag, and then on the day or the night before I'm going to defrost it and then pop it into that tray for baking on New Year's Eve. We've also got 2 trays of halloumi fries. Now they're laid out like this because I'm going to open freeze them for around, these will probably take about 2 to 4 hours to freeze like this. Once they're frozen solid, I will transfer them into a freezer bag, and then on the night I will cook straight from frozen. You can either air fry them or cook them in the oven. I've also got some chicken goujons, some chicken tenders, whatever you want to call them. These are going to be served with the honey mustard mayo dip, and I've frozen them like this in a Tupperware that's also got a lid, just to prevent any risk of cross-contamination within the freezer whilst they're open freezing. Again, once these are frozen solid, you can take them out of this and put them in a freezer bag to save space if you don't have much room. But you'll see here what I've done is I've put baking paper between the layers, and that's to stop them sticking together. Then we've got the halloumi in blankets, essentially pigs in blankets, but with halloumi. Now these are great served with a drizzle of honey. Same as the chicken, I've put them in a Tupperware with a lid so we can minimise the risk of cross-contamination whilst they're freezing. And whilst Ian was making the macaroni cheese, he grated lots more cheese. So what we're going to do with this is I'm going to pop it in the fridge for around 5 days. It will stay like this. If we don't use it, I'll open freeze it, use it straight from frozen in cooking, omelettes, anything like that. So I hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for lots more content coming your way. But for now, Happy New Year!